This is the Android setup which we are going to do for the Tata Nexon car. And this is a very simple setup where you have to just take your Android phone, turn the Bluetooth on, and you will see like some of the pairing notification, because you have to pair your mobile with the Tata Nexon. Once the pairing is done, you can see pairing with so and so, whatever the mobile name you have added is done. Once this pairing is complete, you will see that the Android Auto logo lights up in a different way. You can see it when I will zoom it in a smaller icon. You will see that it has been started up. Now you see that the Android setup looks like just like the mobile, and this is how it comes up. This is how all the UI looks for the Android setup, and I'm going to show like what exactly we are going to have in this, like the mobile features, the calendar and all that stuff. Here is the three icons where we take it to the base navigation. I'll just take a back and we'll show like how exactly these things are showing up. Again, you will see the big icons just like on the Android phone which we are having. It will come up in a second. We'll see like this. Once this is available, you see that this is how it is showing up. You can just go to the back and see Android Auto comes up right away. It's just like a one-time process for pairing the device. So here you will see that the Android option with the two icons comes up. This is the bigger icon because once you start the navigation, it will come up in that screen. So here I'm going to show about the mobile phones. I'm just since my mobile is connected, I have just like updated few things, contacts and all that stuff. So everything you just have to give the access. This is the dialer where you can right away make a call to whomsoever you want to do. So this is how the setup looks like.